What's up, Gentry?
Not much. What are you doing?
Just looking over the group quiz because it started like an hour ago.
Man, yeah, seriously. Today sucks. All I have is homework.
I had to work this morning, so.
I would much rather just go to work.
Well, my shift starts at 3:30 a.m.
I think I would have switched you still.
What's up, Austin? Kira?
What's going on?
Yo.
See, today's been a slow day.
That's nice.
Yeah. How's everyone's day been?
Good.
Tiring.
Yeah.
Lots of work. Always work. Why is that so bright?
So I had a question. So I was doing the quiz, working on the quiz, and on the third part or question part A, I kind of worked backwards from it, and I got the answer. Like it's trying to get us to I don't know. I think it was trying to get us to rewrite the equation.
Yeah.
Make it solve for this, but I just basically plugged in a bunch of numbers till I got the amount.
Question. Which question are you talking about?
3.
3. Oh. Did everybody finish the quiz?
I'm almost done with it.
Sweet.
I didn't finish. I only got the second one and third one, part A, and then I got busy with their homework.
So I did question 1 and question 2, and then I'm just barely looking at 3.
Nice.
Yup.
What did you guys get on 1B?
Let me pull up my homework here.
For which one? 1 or 3?
1B.
1. Yeah, 1B.
I got -5/2, -1 plus square root of 11 over 2, and -1 minus square root of 11 over 2.
Say that last one again.
-1 minus the square root of 11 over 2.
Ah,
Yeah, I got that too. But wasn't that a plus or minus one? Wouldn't you get both?
Yeah, that's why.
Oh, okay.
Negative
Yeah, my bad.
plus square root of 11. Yeah.
So you just got the 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what? It's part of my cup.
I had a question about 3B. Has anyone finished that one?
Not yet.
I haven't either.
Okay.
Hey. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Wait, which, like the top part of it? Yeah, the reason I got a different one is yeah. Okay, yeah. Good, I gotta get on right now. Okay, bye. Hey guys, on 1B, wouldn't you also get a 0, a -2, and a plus or minus square root 5?
I have a minus square root of 5.
But wouldn't you have a plus or minus square root 5? And a 0 and -2?
Because it's the roots of the
Yeah,
thing,
so if we
right?
were to just put like x squared plus 2x equals 0, and then
Yeah,
like
because
factor
that
an
would
x
be
out,
0.
then you get an x equals 0 on the left side, and then it'd be like an x plus 2, which would be an x equals -2. So that's where you get the 0 and -2.
Uh-huh.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, if you factor it down, I would do.
And then on the other side, the plus or minus 5 is.
What did you say it was? 1B was again? Sorry.
I got I got a 0 and a -2, and then a plus or minus square root 5, along with a -5/2 and a plus or minus 1 minus square root of 11/2.
Yeah.
So there's like 6 of them.
Yeah, so I have 1 minus the square root 11/2 plus or minus 2, 0. And then did you say you had a -2?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I have too.
And what did you got on A then?
What? I can't.
What did you get on A?
On A. With just the solution to that.
Wait 1 sec. What was that?
With the solutions to that. Hold on. Sorry.
Yeah, what did you get as the solutions to it? I got an I square root 5 and a -I square root 5, a 3i and a -3i.
The -3i. Uh-huh. I have, okay, say them one more time.
Basically a plus or minus I to the square root 5, and then a plus or minus 3i.
That's what I got.
So I have an I square root of 5 minus I square root of 5, and then a 3i, and then a minus 3i.
Okay, I got that.
Okay.
Cool beans.
Yeah. I'm feeling pretty good with these like root things.
Yeah.
I say
think the
that,
roots are
and then-
easy.
Right? She's gonna throw something at us though, and I'm gonna be like, oh my gosh, I
I'll
don't know
throw
what I'm
something
doing.
back at her. Just joking.
That's funny. Okay, and then we got 2, right? Did you guys get 2?
For which one?
Number 2?
Oh, I got x is equal to 0, 2, 1 plus I, and then 1 minus I.
That's what I got.
Same. And then I'm working on 3. I didn't do 3. I didn't get to the.
For
to it.
3, part A, I got 23.
Me too.
For the $85.
$83.50.
83.50, yeah.
Total of 23 plates. The last one I don't quite understand though.
If it was $4 and
Per plate.
49 cents per plate. So wouldn't you find the minimum of the, oh wait, just kidding.
Wait, isn't that pretty easy then? So, like, you have the amount of 23, right? And so, and that will costs like $83.50 to make those 23 plates, right?
Yeah.
And then per plate of food, wait, never mind. It's just different information then, huh? Instead of like the, I don't know, like 83.50 divided by 23, basically.
Yeah. Well, I think you're getting on the right path because 83.50 is for 23 plates, and it's saying each plate is $4.49.
Yeah.
But if you do the math, the price for the 83.50 is different per plate.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. It seems like it would be. I don't know, kind of just reverse that then. So instead of, what if you could plug that 449 in for the X? So like, or wait, never mind. I'm thinking weird.
Do we have to write the equation out backwards? And
Or what if you plugged 449 in for C and set X to 0 to find them, like, where it would have to be to go up and profit?
To make a
That's true. I mean,
But wouldn't it be like 449x? Because that's just for one play. So if we were to find the value of the other side of the equation, like whatever number it is, whether it's like 30 plates or 40 plates or whatever, then wouldn't you multiply the 449 by whatever value?
what it is. Yeah, it's like, what if we put it in for the X for the function? Yeah.
Yeah, basically.
Could try it.
Yeah, let's try it. Let's go ahead and try it. See. Oops. Oh, dang it. Darn it. It doesn't help if I exit out of my screen and I can't see the problem.
Really?
Yeah, could you believe that? Okay. $39 at 4.49. So I got 73.2.
Yeah, that's what I got.
So he would have to make 73 plates. Well, 73 about plates of food to make a profit if he sold
Yeah.
it at 449.
Hey, just wondering, what did you guys get on 2? What did you guys get on 2?
I got 0, 2, 1 plus I, and 1 minus I.
Okay, I did 2.
Good deal. Guys, I like this whole, like, everybody finish the quiz thing before the...
Yeah, me too. Like that time, it went for 3 hours. Like,
Yeah,
I'm
like...
not even joking. I got on Facebook, guys.
Yeah.
I left
So
you guys in the
frustrating.
dust. Like I was kind of aggravated actually.
Right? Yeah, and I was so done with that, like, whole 3 hours thing. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't even do this.
I know I was over at a friend's house that's like an hour away, and I was doing that, and I was like, I couldn't even hang out or anything.
And that sucks.
Yeah, I was bummed. Got over it.
Do you have all the problems written out, Austin?
No,
On the
I
Word
just have-
document?
I just have 2. And then
Okay.
3A.
You just have 2 right now?
Yeah, just number 2 and 3A.
Okay. The first one's really easy anyway, so that's nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they were really nice. Like I said, the root stuff is really nice
Yeah.
so far.
The last
So far.
ones are going to be easy to write out once we get the equation.
Yeah.
Can someone show me the stuff you wrote down for 1A and B, so I can write it down?
Yeah, give me a second. I'll pull it up. Okay, I wrote number 1 out for you if you want to check it. Right there.
Sorry, let me click on your screen. Yes, that's exactly what I have here. You were faster at writing it down than I was, though.
Yeah, I'm sufficient. Just joking. I'm actually pretty slow typically.
Yeah, I have like this far.
I write too small, so you wouldn't be able to read it.
That looks good.
Because I'm copying off my answer here. Wait, we both ended up getting plus or minus I square root of 5, right?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
and plus or minus
3i.
3i.
Yeah.
Have you guys done the homework yet?
What?
Yeah.
Have you guys finished your homework yet?
Yes.
Yeah.
I finished last night at like 1 o'clock in the freaking morning.
Oh, I'm so jealous, guys. I haven't even started.
The ones for the math lab are actually pretty easy. The
That's nice.
other one, the lesson 3 and 4 was kind of weird.
Okay. Honestly, I don't pick up that much from those sometimes. I just rush through it. And then
Oh, yeah.
for the test prep, I study a lot for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to understand the principle.
Lessons 3 and 4, they're not on the math lab either.
Yeah, they're like you like have to write it out,
That's
Oh,
dumb.
really?
the equations, but you don't have to like turn it in like a PDF. You just like do a self
Is
evaluation.
it like the personal quiz thing?
Not quite. You don't have to send in like a PDF. You just have to do a quiz saying whether you did it or not.
The last time you guys said something about that personal quiz, like I didn't even know what you're talking about. And so I didn't even have it done then.
Oh, that's really
And
bad.
so like they have like this golden ticket thing. I turned it in like 2 days ago. Like I was so far behind on that.
I had to use my golden ticket for my written portion of my exam.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Ouch.
I know, but actually I got like a 98 on it or something like that, so it wasn't even bad.
Yeah, I got 97 on that.
Yeah, which I was like, by the time I was finished with that, I was like, oh my gosh, I probably guessed on most of them. Like, maybe this is right. I don't know.
Yeah, I did too. I could do it.
Oh my gosh. Draw thingy.
On the first ones, I don't think they have an I in them. I think it's just the plus or minus. 3 with
I got the
plus
I
or
for
minus.
him.
I did too.
Well, because in the book it has like the exact same problem. There's no I.
Well, don't you take like the square root of -9, right? And then you factor that down, you get 3i.
Yeah.
Plus or minus 3i, right?
I don't know. I think maybe they're just factoring instead of
Because you have
over.
the square root, or plus or minus the square root of -9, and then you rewrite it or whatever. for -1 times the square root of 9.
Oh, actually, in the book, it's -14 instead of +14. That's the difference.
Can I see someone's work for number B or for B?
Yes.
What did you guys get on 3A again?
23.
Doesn't that come out as $84.50?
No, it comes out as 83.50 or 0.5.
Are you sure?
Myself. Yeah.
Okay, I believe you. Oh, I swear I messed up.
That's not good.
I messed up, Aaron.
AA wrong.
You done messed up.
Yeah, for real. You guys want a French fry?
I want to go get food.
Here you go.
Okay, so x squared minus 2x equals 0. And 5 minus x squared equals 0. Okay, and then x minus 2 equals 0, so x is just 2. Okay. Oh, I hope you can. All right, I'll show you here real quick. She's already told me that my brain works interesting and that I don't put things where they belong, but somehow it works for my head. So I'm gonna show you. You see that okay?
It's like frozen. Oh.
Oh.
Go out a little bit.
Down a little bit?
No, move your paper back a little bit.
Oh.
Just put it there for a second. Okay, I got it.
Okay, so that's 0 and 2. And then let me get the other part of it real quick. Because there's the square root of 5 and -5. And the x over, or 1 plus 11, or square root of 11 over 2.
Okay.
Oh, and the 5 over 2. That one kind of has a lot of answers, doesn't it? Holy cow.
That is.
Take the square root. Okay, so minus square root of 5, positive square root of 5. Okay, here's the one for the square root of -5 and +5. Maybe. Oh my. Okay. Can you see that?
Yep, we got it. So the first one is x equals to 2 and 0.
Yes.
Break that out. All right. That one. I just need the information for the last one, 3B.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
And I'll have it all finished.
That's a 0. Oh, wait. Divide by -2. Divide by -2. And get x equals 5/2. Okay. And second equation. 2 x squared minus x equals 5. And 2x. Dividing 2x squared minus 2x equals 0. And have a quadratic formula plus or minus. Plus 2 plus or minus. Oh, -2. Sorry, this one has a
Hey, Michael. When you uploaded it, do you just upload it to the like quiz submission and then you put the names of our group?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I'll do that. Give me some food after this. I haven't eaten.
Before. 2 to the second power times 11 over 2.2. Oh, I guess I was able to before. Mhm. And then to add 1 plus or minus. Negative 1. One plus 7 squared. Oh my gosh. And then x plus minus 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, I hope you can see this. Okay. This is kind of a lot. Here is the one for 5 over 2 at the top. We'll start with that one.
Wait, which one is this one?
This is the first equation for the 5 over 2
Okay.
with the 2 and the 0.
Okay. All right, I got that.
Awesome. And then this is the square root stuff down here for the second equation.
Go up a little bit more. And move your paper back a little bit. Okay. Well, I got it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that is a lot.
I know, it's a lot. It's a lot to write out.
Yeah, this Word document, I hate writing it out on Word document.
Right.
Yeah, it kind of sucks.
I'm sorry it took a second. I was like, oh my gosh.
Could I just write it out as x is equal to 1 plus and plus or minus square root of 11 over 2, or do I have to write out both separate?
You could probably do the plus or minus.
Plus or minus. Yeah, because it like encompasses the plus or minus.
Because either plus or minus for the 3i and the plus or minus I squared root of 5. So
Yeah. That's a good point.
Okay.
I just wrote them out at the bottom because that's what I had on my paper.
Oh, that's all good. I was just wondering. Okay, cool. I got those. Do you guys have the answers for the last one, 3B?
Yeah, that one I just put in the function of what did we decide it was? I didn't even write it out. I just put it into Mathway.
We decided to put x equal to 4.49.
Yeah,
For
so
that
C
equation.
equals 0.05 or 0.49 plus H 4.49 plus 5,000. Okay. Yeah. 8.245. And that equals now 245.92. And add this together. $5.92. Let's see. 0.209. Okay, this one was it. Okay, here you go. Maybe.
Okay, cool. I got it. Thanks.
Yep.
What you eating, Kira?
I was trying to do that
You
discreetly.
what?
I was trying to do that discreetly.
I still saw.
It's a piece of bread that I had left over from dinner that I didn't finish. It was like a roll.
Yeah,
And I
I didn't
didn't
even
finish it.
attempt to do it discreetly because I can't share.
My goodness.
Which one are you guys working on now?
I think Austin, have you just been taking like the screen cap of them and writing them down like that?
Okay.
Yeah, I finished, sorry, I had it on mute. I just finished writing them all down, so I'm gonna go submit it and we're good.
Okay. Is there anything else we need to do?
I don't think so.
I think we're good.
Yeah,
I think we're good too.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Okay. Sounds good.
I'll see you guys later.
Okay.
Hey,
Thanks,
let's do that
guys.
again for the next quiz. That worked really good.
Yeah. And it didn't take 3 hours. It
Yeah.
was like
Yeah.
really nice.
Okay. I'll see you guys Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
See ya.